my amigos, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below. So, seeing that it's my birthday, I've decided to share with you guys how I got this look. Because when it's your birthday, there's going to be a lot of photos and you have to be photo ready from each and every angle. So unfortunately, flash photography or flashes or any type of harsh light kind of flattens your makeup. So it's very important to do a darker look when you know there's a lot of photos that's going to be taken. So I like dark looks every day. It doesn't have to be a flash day. But regardless, I really love this look and I hope you guys are going to like it too. So before we start, I just want to thank each and every person for each WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, call, absolutely everything. I'm so overwhelmed and I cannot even begin to describe how much it means to me. So thank you so much for making my day. So let's start. Let's start. First things first, my tram lines, my little guidelines. So trusted sellotape, here we go. So just make sure that they're nice and secure, that they don't leak, or that the powder doesn't go into the grooves where it's not secure. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my MAC Paint Pot Soft Ochre Primer, together with my MAC 286S brush. Ta-da! So I'm going to prime the entire lid. Now I'm going to go in with MAC Corpse. It's like a very light pink color, and with this I'm just going to shape out the shape that I want. So I'm going to kind of go above my crease, into the corner here, and then just start building that color. And I'm going to be using my Mud 800 brush to do that. My absolute favorite blending brush in the entire world. Next up, I'm going to go in with the Naked Heat palette in Fuego. So it's got a little bit of a more of a red-brown color. So now we're going to go and just below this pink glow that we just created, just try and infuse it a bit higher before we go in with the darkest color. So not a lot of color, but we want to just bring a little bit of more depth to this whole look. And I'll be using my same mud brush. See how it just intensifies that pink a little bit more with like a warmer type color. Next up, I'll be using the I'm Into It from MAC. Again, same brush. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take off my little tram lines, my little guideline. The reason for this is that we don't want that exact like straight line type of look. So I'm going to start blending this line away into the bottom lash line with like the more maroony type colors so that the whole eye just comes together. Now with a smaller brush, I'm going to start working it into my little lash line below my lash. That went into my eye and not where it's supposed to. Sorry, my hair's still all over the place. I first want to do the makeup, then I'll fix the hair. So excuse. Now I'm going to diffuse this little lash line at the bottom with Hawks again, just to give it a softer glow. Now we're going to go even darker. So now I'll be using In Fuego mixed with Ashes of the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. Now this color I'm going to place below all those little blendings we just did and cover the entire lid with it. And I'm also going to try and work it a bit into the lower lash line. So as you can see, we're really starting to get like quite a deep dark look, but I think it's not dark enough. So now I'm going to go into some black. So now with the black, I'm just going to go in the outer corner and into just a little part of the lower lash line. I'll be using my little Garliane palette for this part. Okay, so now that all the mattifying is done, I'm going to go in with a shimmer from the Naked Heat palette just to cover the inner corners and a bit above that. And for that, I'm going to use a combination of Dirty Talk and Scorched. You know what, I've actually changed my mind. Let's rather put it in the middle and not in the corners. More dramatic, and then we'll do something in the corner later. So, off we go. Scorched and Dirty Talk combination. For some odd reason, if I apply it with my finger, it gives a more pigmented look. So, finger it is. Then I'm thinking, why not? Let's be all funny and fancy and whatever else. Let's add some Dazzle Shadow from MAC. And I think this we're going to apply like in the inner corner and just a little bit in the lash line, because why the hell not? And because I think I never know when to stop, maybe we should just put a little bit, just a little bit of glitter on top of it. So, if not, why not? I already think your birthday is like the day you can go all out and bullshit excuse you, so that's what will be happening today. All glittered up. Now for some eyeliner, just to make it even more dramatic. So I'll be using the Essence Liquid Liner and the Essence False Lash Mascara. And my very trusted Mud 920 brush. So I'll just dip it into the liquid liner and then create my own line. Now time for some mascara. If I can find it, which I did. Then I'm going to use my Catrice white powder with a little brush like this just to highlight underneath my brow bone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. And if you liked me, little old me, please hit the subscribe button down below.